Namar ka jing le bom sunyo ka sorkar ya kinong hikai, halor ka jing bom pelat ya ketulop ka balasan benai menta, na kalian kinong yalam ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, kila mi syakmat ban penpau ya ki jing ka ba kilaya kendo, bat ban dawa na ka sorkar, ban pelat ya ketulop kinong hikai, ka balasan benai menta. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor, kitay kinong yalam, kila yathu ban nakaliang ka jongki, kila dep ban ay da ka dorkhas siya ka sorkar ha ka pratarik urisaw, na ka benta ban kerpat ban pelat no ya ka tulop ka badangsa jongki no hikai SSA, henry nakaliang ka sorkar halor katay, kalas ngap menti penban. Syusyu nakaliang jongki nong hikai jongki Lai District, kibadan hapo ka lama jongka All Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association, kata ka Garo Hills, Bhoi, bat West Khasi Hills, lasai kasngi ka arpau tarik urisaw, kin Pynlong da ka jingyai rali, bat syong kelany mungor, na ka benta ban Dawa, ban penpau ya ka jing persya, halor ka jing le kuman ka sorkar, ya ka jing Dawa ka jongki.
Ka All Meghalaya SSA School and Teachers Association Amssata Nongstone Block West Khasi District haka meeting ka ba ngilayo ban yesong haka khatsan trik jong mentau benai hi hapo Nongstone hapo ka meeting ngilayo sibun ban yakren halor ki jing ki ban nakaliang jongi kum kinong hikai SSA hapo ka Jala Meghalaya ngi kendu hadu menta bat kawai ka mat ka ba don kam tam haka ba bat ka jing jongi kum kinong hikai SSA hapo ka Jala hi bor koi kata kalong halor ka jing pen slam jong ka kani ka sorkar ban pelat ya ka tulop ka jongi kani ka isu kam dei ka isu ka badang thamai handai ka dei ka isu ka ba ju saja nakawai ka por bat nakawai ka snam sakawai pat ka snam bat haduk menta mane nakaliang jong gomen kam padla ya ka ban sop ya kani ka jing jongi kum kinong hikai SSA menta ka tulop ka jongi ka bangim pad yo haduk menta kalong kumba sau banai bat san banai running menta banai Oktober hi dikai ka ba nakaliang jongi kum ka association jong kinong hikai SSA hakai setri jong kan SSA hakai setri jong ka All Meghalaya SSA School and Teachers Association Nongstone Block da kawai ka jingmot ngila shim ya karai bat kata kalong bagla kalong hakanu kuno gadur bala kalong hakanu kuno gurukom nagaliang jongi kum kino hikai SSA ngim la syu ya gaban chusngap ngin nom la syu ya gaban chusok likti hanrai ngi haban mi syasurok ngi haban mi syabar ya gaban pensngau ya gaban Dawa ya la ka jong ka hok ya gaban nagaliang gomen hadu menta mene kam syam lalai nagam ta jongi kum kino hikai SSA ngidon ye lagi jong ke yin kasam ngidon ye lagi jong ki khun kikti hanrei nagaliang gomen kamtip ya kata da engin bam da engin di hagajuk kapor baga gomen menta kalap tha engi bangin plino ya ki school ki jongi bangin long no ki school jongi da engin bam da engin di tangi ka bai kali bangin lech ki school jongi ro ngim don kata kalong kadai ki jing sisya namar katangi kentu ya kene ka sorkar ba kam dei ban le kum ne mereka dei ban phai khamat sangi kum kino hikai SSA ka jing ka ba ngi kum kino hikai SSA kalong ka jing ka ba haduk kata-kata ya ka ba nginom la ban pedang le se hari nagaliang ka gomen haduk menta ka sngap man iu i na kawai kapor sakawai kapor haduk bangin da mi sya surok ka gomen kan ab yangi hadu bangin mi syasurok bandawa ya laga jonghok bat hangta ka gomen kayo sngo kai gane nagaliang jongi kum kinong hikai SSA hakai setri jo ka Amssata lengba ka Nongstone Block bat ka Amssata West Khasi District ngilak loy ya ka ban mi syakmat ya ka ban mi syasurok ya ka ban Dawa ya laga jong ka hok nagaliang jongi kum kinong hikai SSA hakalama jong Amssata jong West Khasi hi barok kawai ngi up menta ya ka decision la ne karai jong ka CEC bat ya kata ngin sale ngilong bala pun kre nakalang jongi kum kinong hikai SSA hakalama jong Amssata jong West Khasi district ki bar koi lengba kanong stone block ngilong ki bala ready ban mi syakmat ya ka ban Dawa ya laga jong kohok ni pha ya kane khubor sya ka Amssata sengkemi ke jongi bat mentangi dang up ya karai bana kalian ka sengkemi ka ki agitation lane ka ki benta ki program ki jinya ki bangingin sa Pynlong hari nagaliang jongi kum ka Amssata West Khasi li barok kawai ngilalong ki bala ready nagamta ban mi sya surok ban Dawa ya laga jong kohok.
Good evening. I'm Defender S. Lamare, the General Secretary of the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association Central Body. On behalf of the Central Body, I express my gratitude to all the SSA teachers, our esteemed members, our esteemed leaders for supporting our movement from time to time. Time and again, we have expressed our concern regarding the inability of the government to release our pending salaries from time to time. And for the last few months, we have made a representative with the government through the state project officer, director, regarding our salary to be released on time. But it is sad to say that from the government, they did not take any action till date. So till this evening, we could not get any clear answer from the government regarding our pending salary. The Augusta from the Garo Hills, they propose to launch a rally on the 20th of this month. On the meeting today that was held on this day, 18 October 2021, the Amssata Central Body has decided to support the rally that is going to organize by the Augusta on the 20th October there at Tura. Secondly, all the Amssata district unit shall sit in Dharna on the 20th October 2021 at the office of the DMC in each and every district headquarter in Bhoi district, East Khasi Hill, West Khasi Hill, Southwest Khasi Hill. We request our leaders from each and every district to come forward and to participate in the sitting dharna in the respective DMC office. Thirdly, the leaders of the central body will meet the state project director and the education minister for addressing the teachers' grievances for the non-release of the 4-month salary with effect from June to September. Therefore, I, on behalf of the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, request all our esteemed members, esteemed teachers, to kindly cooperate with us to participate in the sitting dharna. We also extend our support and we wish all the best to the Augusta for their rally. And also, I wish all my best to all the district leaders for the sitting in Dharna on the 20th of October this month. And with this message, I would like to request on the government to kindly look into this matter immediately, as this has put a great pressure on the financial crisis of all the teachers, especially because of the outbreak of pandemic. And I also request the government to speed up the matter in release our pending salary immediately. Thank you.